Well, hello there, and welcome to the garden. Today we're on a quest to discover the magic of companion planting, the art of pairing plants that are, shall we say, best mates to create a truly thriving garden. Now, companion planting isn't just about aesthetics, although a good-looking garden is a happy side effect. It's about understanding the intricate relationships between plants and how they can work together to benefit one another. Just like good friends, certain plants can boost each other's growth, ward off pesky pests, and even enhance the flavors of their neighbors. So, grab your trowel, put on your gardening gloves, and let's dig into the wonderful world of companion planting. Now, when we talk about companion planting, we're essentially talking about creating a diverse and harmonious ecosystem within our gardens. It's about understanding that plants, just like us, thrive in the company of good friends. You see, certain plants release scents that deter pests, while others attract beneficial insects that help with pollination. Some plants even have deep-reaching roots that improve soil structure, making it easier for their neighbors to access nutrients and water. It's all about working with nature rather than against it, to create a garden that's not only productive but also bursting with life. Tomatoes and basil, a classic pairing that's as delicious in the garden as it is on a plate. Tomatoes with their vibrant red fruits are a staple in any summer garden, but they can be a bit susceptible to pests like aphids and those pesky tomato hornworms. That's where our friend basil comes in. This aromatic herb releases a scent that naturally repels those unwanted visitors, acting as a protective shield for our tomato plants. But the benefits don't stop there. Basil is also said to enhance the flavor of tomatoes, making them even more delicious when harvested. Chapter 3. Carrots and Onions, Keeping Pests at Bay. Now let's talk about carrots and onions, a dynamic duo that's been working together in the garden for centuries. You see, carrots with their sweet roots attract carrot root flies, a common garden pest that can wreak havoc on your crop. Onions, on the other hand, release a strong, pungent odor that deters those pesky flies, keeping them far away from our precious carrots. It's a win-win situation. The benefits don't stop there. Carrots, with their deep taproots, help to aerate the soil, improving drainage and making it easier for onions to grow their bulbs. Chapter 4. Cucumbers and Nasturtiums, a beautiful partnership. Now let's move on to cucumbers and nasturtiums, a pairing that's both practical and visually stunning. Cucumbers with their refreshing, crunchy fruits are a summer favorite, but they can be a bit of a magnet for aphids. That's where nasturtiums come in. These cheerful, brightly colored flowers act as a trap crop, luring aphids away from our cucumbers and onto their own foliage. And as a bonus, nasturtiums are edible, adding a peppery bite to salads and garnishes. Chapter 5. Beans and Corn, the Three Sisters. Finally, let's talk about a classic companion planting trio, beans, corn and squash, often referred to as the Three Sisters. This traditional Native American planting method has been passed down through generations and is a testament to the wisdom of companion planting. Corn, with its tall stalks, provides natural support for the climbing bean vines. The beans, in turn, fix nitrogen in the soil, enriching it for the corn and the squash. And the squash, with its large leaves, acts as a living mulch, suppressing weeds and helping to retain moisture in the soil. It's a beautiful example of how plants can work together in harmony to create a thriving and sustainable garden. Ultra-happy companion planting. So there you have it, a glimpse into the wonderful world of companion planting. Remember, gardening is all about experimentation and observation. Don't be afraid to try different plant combinations and see what works best in your garden. By embracing companion planting, you'll not only create a more productive and healthy garden, but you'll also deepen your connection with the natural world and the intricate relationships that exist within it. Happy gardening, everyone.